Welcome to the High Library's tutorial on keyword search strategy. Today we're going to complete our search in the EBSCOhost database Music Index. This is a subject database that focuses exclusively on resources from music journals. When you start your search, you want to use a select number of keywords. Let's say that my topic was in the field of ethnomusicology on the topic of jazz manouche, also known as gypsy jazz. It comes from France, and maybe I'm interested in how it's rooted in the guitar playing of Django Reinhardt. I want to start my search very simply. Maybe I'll just try the term jazz manouche to start. I'll hit search, see how many results I get. 25. That's not very many results. To expand my search, I'll want to add some related terms or synonyms connected by or. Perhaps I'll add the term gypsy jazz. So I'm adding this in the same box with this or connector. Now I'll search, see how many results I get. 244 results. This might be too many. So now I'll probably want to add a different term, a term that's not the same as these two terms, using the AND connector here, or the Boolean operator AND. And I'm going to put this in a separate box, since I already have the AND here connecting the different terms. And Django Reinhardt was a key term for my research question, so I'm going to add Django's name. And now this brings it down to 61, which is a pretty manageable amount of results. There are quite a number of ways in which I can adjust my search further if I choose to. Currently, my search terms are all set to select a field, which is a keyword search. But I could change this, for example, to a subject term search. So I could change, if I wanted to, the Django Reinhardt search to be a subject term search. This is going to make certain that I'm only retrieving articles in which Django Reinhardt is a central subject. And as you can see here, this narrows my search results down to 47. You could choose to place all of your search terms in one search box, as I'm about to show you. However, you can see that this is a bit more complicated in terms of how you organize your Boolean operators, and I really prefer the simplicity of the approach that I outlined in the separate boxes. Just adding your OR terms becomes much easier this way, and as you saw in the previous search example, using those separate boxes made it very easy for me to change my search of Django Reinhardt from a keyword search to a subject search. This concludes my review of basic keyword search strategy. If you have any questions, you can email the librarian at ask@etown.libanswers.com. My name is Josh Cohen, and I'm a librarian here at Etown College, and you can contact me directly anytime at cohenjp@etown.edu. Thank you for watching.